Hey, welcome back to the shop this afternoon, and we just want to do something really quick to show you, give an answer to some of the questions that I've had about my fret slotting on my Dulcimers. So I'm going to show you kind of a basic run through. This is my fret slotting template. It's made out of aluminum, and here's my fretboard overlay. So what I'll do is I'll take some double-sided tape and run it down my fret slotting template, and this attaches the fretboard overlay to the template itself so that nobody moves around, so I can get some great very true fret slots. I'll show you the rest of my bench, but it is a real mess. We've got ukuleles, we've got dulcimers, we've got all sorts of stuff going on here today. So anyway, so here's my template, and it now has the double-sided tape on it. Now I place my fretboard overlay specifically on a section that shows me for New Traditions dulcimers where I want my nut to be placed. Correct intonation is crucial here. You can have the best fret slotting template in the world, but if your nut placement is incorrect, then it's all for naught. Alright, so here's my template with my fretboard overlay attached to it via double-sided tape. And then what I'll do is I'll take my fret slot, my high-tech, incredibly high-tech, this is a very expensive piece of equipment, my high-tech fret slotting jig, my sled, and we'll go over to the table saw. So there you go. That's it. That's it in a nutshell. Hope you notice how fast that was. And the accuracy is just amazing. One of the struggles that I was having doing my fret slots by hand was getting a consistent depth of my fret slots, which really just added to all sorts of problems when it came to doing my setups on my instruments. But this way, I'm good, and the fret slot depth is consistent all the way down. There's no high frets, there's no low frets. And actually, this is the hardest part of the whole process, is getting the fret slot overlay off of the fret template. There you have it. another perfectly slotted 25-inch New Traditions Dulcimer. There's 2 of them. Fretboard overlay. All right, that's it. Just thought I'd share that with you, as since some have asked about it. There you go. Lord bless you guys. Have a great day.